I've never felt better. I'll live like this forever. I'm waking up.
Oh yeah, wake up, yeah.
Oh yeah, you got fun, yeah.
Fuck you!
Turquoise Jeep, another banger.
A bad situation, load up on Taco Bell.
Should he say smanger? Hello.
Do you guys want to know how to give a really good hand job? Use your mouth.
I knew you were gonna say that.
A guy and a girl that I'm gonna help you out with right now. Just use your hand a lot more.
Yeah, I know.
From that point, I never blow her off. Niggas come from out of town. I like to show.
Go, stay. Get in the hog! Woo! We're gonna crash.
Going up.
Yeah! Woo!
Oh yeah, wake up, yeah.
Get it
Okay,
Green and white.
Walking this bitch out.
And teams are bound to win. They're fighting with something called a vim.
Grab it. It's a shuffle.
Could give less than 2 fucks about it.
We're not going to jump driving!
Classic.
Classic.
oh yeah, wake up, yeah.
Wanna be on top like me? All you gotta do is go KKT. Keep
Honk that horn. With the fur. Read it. Are you okay?
Brunch burger.
Johnny got low.
Is that dripping shit all over? Oh, that's stupid.
The concrete's breaking.
Oh, they're getting blown.
Blue is our color and blue is our other color.
It could be about us. It could be about us.
Stop taking her. Smashing and bacon, my favorite combination. Sean, do your Jaru impression.
Baby!
I'm gonna learn myself to it.
You're gonna pee yourself?
Bye-bye.
Tongue scratch beats.
Mary, this is John from the bar last night.
Understand that you got something with you.
Ass is fat.
Frame in the middle.
That's all I want to do in my last night in Fort Myers is to meet up with you.
Smash it and bang.
My favorite combination.
And I promise I will buy you all the rum and pineapple juice you could ever drink. I'm like the most athletic person you've ever met. Talk to you later tonight. Bye, Mary fucking Mary.
John, what the fuck?
First of all, I saw John spinning in circles for like 4 seconds.
Where am I gonna put all this fucking?
Second of all, John asked to score weed on these tools from Jersey Shore.
Hi, I'm him.
I don't know if I'm gonna embarrass her. I would argue what I was the opposite of what you just said.
Oh, shit!
You are the one who is wearing the snippy poop tonight.
I disagree.
Might have been a racist.
You got J-Ball's boobs and you got the... Mary fucking Mary, what are you fucking talking about?
On the way down,
I saw you and you saved me from myself. And I won't forget the way you love me. KKG.
Your song made me now want to have sex with any girl ever. You look like a fucking Pokemon.
I need to go.
Now,
Way to go with Ashley Simpson.
dude, for real? That's fucking dope. I would have fucked her sister though.
You don't even know where we are.
Oh, here's a street. Let's take pictures of it because I'm artistic.
This is the best night of my life. Can we go break into the K store and get some taquitos? John, do you have any idea how many sharks are gonna love your flesh right now?
3, maybe
Oh, just
4.
3? Oh, okay. Dude, I'm terrified. This is where people get raped. If you die, I'll delete it.
Cool, done.
I'm gonna literally urinate on the sand. John, get naked.
My dick's not gonna get out.
You need a jellyfish butt
Turn
your
it off.
dick off? I didn't tape it, don't worry. The red light means it's off.
On the banks
of the Red Sea, Lang may ye long ring till we other folk call.
May smoke always burn from your chimney when you're in the presence of good company.
Come on, let's get